When was the last time you checked out your bank account or your home loan? And we mean really checked it out. Only on Fox Tonight, Isaiah Carey talked with one Houston man who did just that and found what he calls outrageous behavior by a major bank. Isaiah.
Well, Melinda, that man not only hired his own accountant to go through his bank records with a fine-tooth comb, he filed a lawsuit when he says he realized he was being taken to the bank by the bank. Owning this house for Long Nguyen was supposed to be part of the American dream. He says it turned into a nightmare.
I don't know what to say. I mean, it's unbelievable.
Long says in 2001 he refinanced his Tomball home at Bank of America.
Previously, we have a 30 years mortgage loan, but when we go with Bank of America, we refinance the house into the 15 years loan.
According to these court documents, Nguyen was scheduled to pay $643 bi-monthly on his $130,000 loan to refinance. That would have paid off the house in 2016. Now, to ensure there was no interruption in payments, Nguyen also signed up for Bank of America's auto withdrawal service. The bank would take the money out of his account twice a month on the due date. Nguyen says that did not happen.
What they did is they intentionally, whatever the reason is, they withdraw the money, the funds from our checking account 2, 3, 4 days after the due date.
So why is that important? According to the lawsuit, Nguyen had a simple interest account. That means every time the money is not deducted on the due date, more of his payment goes to interest rather than principal. Records show that alleged technique by Bank of America cost Nguyen $9,000 in interest, and that's when he filed a lawsuit. We showed Nguyen's paperwork to Houston accountant Bob Martin.
Well, if the money was available in the terms of the agreement said that the money should have been taken out of the account, then he is being charged additional interest here.
Nguyen also says he uncovered more issues with his loan after receiving a new interest rate. Financial records show he was hit with new terms he says he was never notified about, like owing the bank an additional $137,000 on the original $130,000 loan. And his payoff date went from 2016 to 2029. Documents show Bank of America tried to settle with Nguyen, offering him his house free and clear. He rejected it.
I feel like, Bank of America have do something really wrong to me and maybe to the public. So I want to send a clear message to everybody.
Nguyen has hired a new attorney to find others who may have encountered the same type of accounting.
He wanted to send the message to help a lot of people who are not aware of the problems that they may have.
Bank of America issued this statement. Because we consider customer relationships to be confidential and this is active litigation, we cannot comment on the specifics of this issue. Mr. Nguyen is a valued customer, and we have been working with him to resolve what is a very fact-specific dispute. And in an unrelated but similar case, Bank of America just settled a $400 million class action lawsuit in Florida. Their customers claim their bank accounts were manipulated by Bank of America so the bank could get more fees and overdraft charges. In the newsroom, Isaiah Carey, Fox 26 News.